Most algo trading content teaches you to build a momentum strategy in Python and call it systematic. It is not. It is automation without governance. And that distinction matters far more than the code itself. The conventional workflow looks straightforward. Ingest market data, layer a signal, backtest, deploy. But that sequence skips the architecture that separates a script from infrastructure. Backtesting logic that lives outside a governance framework is not testing a strategy. It is confirming a bias with historical data that already cooperated, that is curve fitting with extra steps, and no amount of optimization changes what it fundamentally is. Here is what consistently gets omitted from the conversation. Position sizing logic that adapts to regime shifts, not just surface level volatility. Kill conditions that are defined before deployment, not improvised after drawdown forces your hand. Execution assumptions that model real slippage distributions rather than relying on static estimates that flatter your results. These are not advanced concerns reserved for institutional desks, they are prerequisites. Ignoring them does not make a workflow more accessible, it makes it structurally fragile. And structurally fragile systems do not fail gracefully, they fail completely, usually at the worst possible moment. The real edge in systematic trading has never been the signal. It never will be. The edge lives in the decision framework surrounding that signal. What constrains it? What invalidates it? What prevents it from being a strategy that only survives inside a backtest and collapses the moment it meets a live market? If your trading infrastructure starts with a tutorial and ends with a notebook, the foundation is missing. That is the problem we built Valence Core to solve. Find out more at visionarybeacons.com.